Next is the 23rd problem. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcomes each time. That means a 1 rupee coin is tossed 3 times. So Hanif wins if all the tosses have the same result. So Hanif, he is tossing 1 rupee coin 3 times. When he will be winning the toss, if all the 3 times same result comes, that means getting all the 3 times heads or all the 3 times tails. Okay, so that is 3 heads or 3 tails. So when 3 times it is tossed, if all the 3 times heads is there, then he will win the game. In the same way, all the 3 times tail is there, he will be winning the game. Okay, that is the condition. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. That means losing game means not getting head all the 3 times, not getting tail all the 3 times. Okay, so that we have to find out. So here tossing 1 rupee coin how many times? 3 times. So what are the probabilities? All the 3 times head, tail, and first time head, second time head, third time tail, or head, tail, head, tail, head. Like that total possible outcomes will be all. मतलब क्या है, 3 times head हो सकती है, 3 times tail हो सकती है. फर्स्ट टाइम हेड, सेकेंड टाइम हेड, थर्ड टाइम tail. First time head, second time tail, and last time tail. Like that total of possibilities, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 possibilities are. So winning the game, when he will be winning the game, if all the 3 times head is there, he will be winning the game. Okay, otherwise all the 3 times tail is there, he will be winning. So in two possibilities he will be winning the game. Okay, that means 2 upon 8. Now let A be the probability that Hanif loses the game. We do. Let B be the probability that Hanif loses the game. So number of outcomes will be losing the game, we have to find out. So not getting the heads 3 times and not getting the tails 3 times. So 2 we have to, total outcomes में से 2 निकाल देने का. So how many are left? 6. So probability of getting not winning the game, that is losing the game, is if 2 are taken out, how many are left? 6 are left. So 6 upon 8, that is 3 upon 4. So 24th problem, a die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? That means 5 should not come upside in both the cases. That means it should not be like that. 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5. 5 should not in any one. Here dice is thrown how many times? 2 times. Only one die is there, but is it is 5 thrown? No. So we have to take that probability, throwing the die twice is equal to the throwing the die twice is equal to throwing the 2 dice. Okay, so 5 will not come, should not come upside. That means 5 should not be there. 5 should not be upside. So that means 1 5. 1 5 is there. 5 is not. 5 is the upside. So this outcome should not consider. In the same way, 2 5, 3 5, 4 5, 5 5, 6 5, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3. All these we should not consider. Okay, let us see. Already here, even though one dice is thrown twice, 2 times, but we have to consider it how in the hint it is given. That is, it is equal to throwing 2 dice at a time. So what are the probabilities here? 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, like that 36 outcomes will be there. So what is the first question? Let A be the probability that 5 not coming up. Okay, in which cases, that means 5 ऊपर नहीं आना चाहिए. सो कौन सी केसेस में 5 ऊपर आती है? 1 5, 2 5, 3 5, 4 5, 5 5, ओके 5 2, 4 5, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6 and 6 5. So in total 11 possibilities में 11 outcomes में we will be getting 5 upside. But our question is not getting 5 upside. So from total outcomes 11 should be subtracted. So we will be getting 25. That means the outcome favorable to the event is 25. That means in 25 cases 5 will not come up. Okay. So P of A is equal to 11 upon 36. Next, second is asked, what is the problem? 5 will come upside. So I already have seen in how many cases 5 is coming up? 11 cases. 11 cases. See, here dot coming up, no? So it will be 25 upon 36. Here coming up means only 11 cases it is coming up. So 11 upon 36. Okay, first case is 5 is not coming up. 11 cases में आ रही है. So 36 minus 11 किए तो 25 cases में नहीं आ रही है upside. So 25 upon 30. Second में पूछ रहे हैं getting 5 getting upside. So कितने cases में आ रहे हैं? 11 upon 36. Thank you.